Hello guys, this session I'm going to install and run Jupyter Notebook. You need to ensure that your Python has already been installed. If you don't know how to install Python, check the video on how to install Python. To make sure that Python is installed, check the version of Python. On my system, my version of Python is 3.13.3, so Python is installed. We can install Jupyter Notebook by running the command pip install notebook. Some downloads will start taking place, installing your notebook. So my notebook is installed at the version of my notebook. By typing Jupyter Notebook, then space dash version. The version I have is version 7.4.2. I can start using Jupyter Notebook by typing Jupyter Notebook on the command line. So I'll run this and then to give me a browser I want to open using Mozilla Firefox. As you can see, there's this address I'm going to paste in Mozilla Firefox, and there's a token I'm going to use to open Jupyter Notebook. So I've copied the address from the command prompt. This is the address, and that will allow me to enter the token. So as you can see here, I'll paste my token. Paste in my token here, I can even create a password to be using to log in. So let's log in. So I've logged into my Jupyter Notebook. To create a new program, come here and click on new. Python, hit that. The notebook is open and you're ready to start coding. This is a cell where you can enter your code. I'm going to test by creating a simple data frame and run a code. So let's run the code. We create a data frame and then want to print to the screen what we've created. Can run our code so that we see our output to the screen. So as you can see, that's our data frame. Just demonstrating that we've successfully installed Jupyter Notebook and we're able to run some code. Install Anaconda so that you can run a notebook. First you go to Google, type Anaconda download, download Anaconda distribution. Registration page, you can even register by providing your email address. I'm downloading Windows. Once the download is done, I can install. I'm installing mine in C. Just leave the default settings. Install. Just click next. So keep hitting next. You can finish. Anaconda will start loading. Loading applications. There will be a pop-up about updating Anaconda Navigator. It's important to update. I'm going to update mine. Just close the window there. This is when I can launch my notebook. Jupyter Notebook is one of those applications here. Launch notebook. My notebook has launched. I can create a new notebook. Clicking on new here. I can edit the settings, theme, the font. So this is how you can install a notebook using Anaconda. And the command prompt. Print data frame to the screen. On top using the run button. This is how you can install Jupyter Notebook.